Good morning, sir.
Very good morning, everybody. Most welcome in this English class. Children, today we have to learn about how to change sentences of past perfect continuous tense into passive voice form. You all are ready to learn this?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then come to the point. Watch, listen, and note it down. Structure for changing sentences of past perfect continuous tense into passive voice is as under. Object is changed into subject plus had been, being is used. Then third form of verb is used. Then by is additionally used and subject is changed into object. Thereafter for or since is used as per requirement and at last other words are used. This clarification comes with the help of these two examples. First example is the spy had been searching him for years. In Hindi it means जासूस उसे बरसों से तलाश कर रहा था या जासूस उसे बरसों से ढूंढते आ रहे थे. In Hindi, in passive form, it becomes he had been being searched by the spy for years. It means जासूस के द्वारा वह बरसों से ढूंढा जा रहा था या खोजा जा रहा था. Now we have to tally this sentence with that of this given structure. Here he, that is subject, has been derived from the object him. Had been, being has been used from this given prescribed structure. Thereafter third form of verb search has been used. Thereafter by has been used additionally. Then object has been made from subject, that is the spy, and then for and at last other words years. In this way we learn how to change given sentence of past perfect continuous tense into passive voice form. To clear this idea, we go through another example, that is the scientist had been searching it since 1st of January 1995. In Hindi it means वैज्ञानिक इसे 1 जनवरी 1995 से शोध करते आ रहे थे. Here this sentence is in active voice form, that means is in past perfect continuous tense, and in passive form it becomes it had been being researched by the scientist since 1st of January 1995. What we have to watch over here, this subject has been derived from the object of given sentence of active voice. Thereafter had been, being has been used as per this given described structure, and research is the third form of verb, and by has been used additionally as per this described structure, and thereafter object, the scientist, then since, and finally other words has been used. So we come to the conclusion that that this changing is exactly as per this prescribed structure. Now we can learn more by practicing this given homework. So change given sentence into passive voice. She had been composing the poems for years. Second homework is to change this given line. They had been preparing the epic since 8th of January 1995. In this way, you can learn more and more examples of past perfect continuous tense to change in passive voice form.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you very much.